So in this phase, the very thing I realized today is that if you want to create something, you have to ask question. Okay, this is a very general kind of definition. It's not, but actually I realize this thing. Why? Because there always need, or there is always room for improvement or enhancement in anything in the world. So what you have to ask according to this design, what happened, like let me tell you, like why this is actually the reason that there is always a room for improvement. Because whatever improvement happen, like this is existing system, there is X and there is a Y humans. So if X improves little bit, there is always certainty that people's comfortable comfortability, or whatever you can say, the people that familiarity improve with the same proportion. So what happened, it's not always about that there's something improved, so people don't improve. Like the expectations, the knowledge around, the familiarity around always improve. Always, like, this is the same proportion. If this is 1x, this is all 1x. So the what I will do, that okay, wherever you are, whatever story you're reading, always try to find something, or try to ask question. Like you sit there, like the very important thing is that we don't have a time to sit there and ask question. Sit there, ask question, what is the problem actually I'm facing. But this is the little things that you have to recognize, and if you recognize, then you will create, and you will end up with something creation. So that's what I'm doing. So this is something realization I have done, and actually I have built something. I don't care about it's working or not. Even I've done something, it's creative, it looks amazing. Okay, and what I'm doing is that, okay, everything already exists, something is already exists. What is that you have to, like, what is the, as I told you, the X and Y, you have to find the relation between X and Y. Like this is X is improving, like someone improved this X. So don't think that there is no room for like further improvement, nothing. It's not the way. Because if this improve X plus 1, already Y plus 1, like humans plus 1 already improved, so this is the same proportion. But now both are the same level. Okay, the ratio of the same level. So what you can do is that you can create something for in this situation, because everyone is X plus 1. The X is now X plus 1, Y is Y plus 1. So now you can create something for this equation, X plus 1 and Y plus 1. So this is something I realized very clearly, and I create something and ask questions. Sit there silently and ask just question, like what is the problem I'm facing. That's what is the something that I can, that I can help in improving something. This is a simple question. So what I'm doing, that okay, wherever you are, there is always room for improvement, for automation, for upgrading the system. So the first thing, in order to achieve this thing, ask questions. Sit there, ask question, like what is the actual problem, like small problem. Because the big solution you will find somewhere, like asking small questions. Like the small questions kind of like very silly question, very normal question kind of stuff, but they are actually the essence of creating something. And I've realized that, I really. So this is something I'll keep in mind, and from this day, Needed 5.0 will always create something, always. Okay, like weekly I will create something. So that's it. There are a lot of things needed 5.0, but this is one thing that I really analyze and observe, that okay, this is something I finally got it. And the second thing is that, like, you have to, this is good decision, is that Needed 5.0 have chosen the subjects that actually, like, I have a polymathic kind of mindset. So one subject I've chosen, that learning computer science from the basic. So I started from the Aristotelian logic to till the what the computer is going. So the journey is ongoing. I have chosen computer science from basics, like from very basics, like human existence, and then where it is goes, like quantum computing and all. This is the one subject, and what I realized, and I felt that how to create something. Bye bye. This is something I want to tell you. Okay, bye.